Hello, hi everyone. In this video, I will show you Android setting you need to turn off now. So there are a few things here that I'm going to show you that might help you to have a more secure and private settings on your Android device. So first, you have to scroll down and let's locate security. So you have to scroll down here, or if you can't see security, you can go to the search icon and then search for security. So security here is below location. Now, what you're going to do here is you have to click this unknown source installations. So you have to make sure that all application here, they are all toggled off and you just turn on just your files and your Google Chrome. Okay, so if you think that other applications here are not safe, so you can turn off and you just have to turn on your file manager and your Google Chrome. Now, the second thing you should turn off here or you should adjust on your Android settings is, let's just say your Google. Okay, you have to scroll down here and type Google, and then you have to look for ads. So under Google, there are different options and features here, but I want you to click this ads. So it's always better to turn off any ads here in your Google or in your phone settings because ads usually pop up on your screen to promote a product or service something. So it's better if your phone is turned off, because if your phone's getting bombarded with ads, it could be a result of malware like adware or other scams. So if there is, then all you have to do is to turn off. You can also delete advertising ID, or you can also reset. Now, the third thing that you should turn off is still, you have to click your Google, tap Google here, and then tap this three dots at the top right corner. Click usage and diagnostics, and you have to turn this one off. Okay, so the reason why you need to turn off this usage and diagnostics is that the usage and diagnostic settings can impact battery life and data usage. So if you want to disable or turn this one off, you just have to go to settings and then turn this one off. It somehow prevent apps from accessing usage and diagnostic data and somehow save your battery. So that's it. And then the last thing here is the location, which is very important. If it's not really necessary to turn on your location, you have to turn this one off, especially if you're using a lot of applications on your phone device. You just have to allow location when it's needed. So you just have to go to location and turn this one off. Now, the last that I'm going to show you is optional. You can just simply go to your apps, app management, and app list. And this time you have to decrease the battery usage of each application, especially if you're not using it often. So to know that or to turn that off, you have to go to app management, go to app list, and then look for the specific applications. Let's just say Kick application. You don't really use it often. So what you're going to do here is you have to click or you have to search for that application right here. And you need to scroll down, look for battery usage, tap this one, and then you have to turn off this background data. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. If you want us to create or do something like a specific tutorial, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel.